Na, nababaw kabalin kong sakay po. My name is Louie. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. Sa vlog na to, meron tayong mysterious box na natanggap. Isang gabi na pagka-uwi ko, inabot sa akin ang box na to. Sabi sa akin ng kasama ko dito sa bahay, nagmamadali daw yung tao na nag-abot nito. It's actually a little bit mysterious for me, no? Although, basing on the physical aspect of it, medyo mabigat. And medyo nararamdaman ko na parang may liquid or parang, yeah, there's something liquid inside. At isa pa sa naging nagpa-misteryoso dito sa box na to is this wax seal. No, meron siyang seal sa taas na wax. It is quite really mysterious. It is. So, for this vlog, we're gonna unbox this one. We're gonna check it out kung ano yung nasa loob niya and see what's inside the mysterious box. Sweet. This out. Wow. Wow. Napaka-social. So these are from Felicia Sangria, crafted by Ricky Salak himself. So Sir Ricky, sa'yo pala galing ito. Hindi ka man nagsabi na talagang padadahan mo kami. So these are his crafts. Check this out. Wow, I like them. Ooh, more. Check that out. We have more. Oh, man. Napaka-social naman ng mga to, Sir Ricky Salak. So, ibababa muna lahat ng mga products natin. We're gonna have some pictorials and some videos of it. So, guys, na-unbox na natin lahat ng mga bottles dito sa table natin. Yung mysterious box pala ay galing from my friend Ricky Salak, and these are his creations for the Felicia Sangria. So nakilala ko si Mr. Ricky Salak nung nilaunch po namin yung web application namin. He actually has a business, yung mobile hire bar, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description below. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, these are from Felicia Sangria. It's a concoction mixed with different kinds of fruit. This is very elegant. Bottle actually is really heavy. So ito pa lang, I think these are great for giveaways, gifts, for intimate events. Ang lakas makasosyal. I think that's isa sa mga pinaka-takeaway ko from these kinds of products. Yeah, let's taste them. Parang rubber seal. It's a rubber seal. Looks like a wax. Sir Ricky, ang galing ng pagkakagawa mo dito. It's gonna pop. Ooh. Amoyin muna natin. Ooh, wow. First impression, it's very citrus. It's very fruity. Very fruity. I believe these are best served chilled or with ice. Parang natikman ko to first time when we had an event with them sa labas. No? It's a Christmas party. Parang natikman ko to sa kanila. Anyway, straight from the box, let's taste it. Wow! Ooh, wow, that's a little bit strong for me. Parang nga siyang concentrated, so you can add ice, you can chill it, and you want it a little bit strong. I think that's, good for you. So again, this is Felicia Sangria, great for intimate events, as a very special gathering, lalong-lalo na po ngayon, hindi ganun ka-open yung mga event natin for large gatherings. I think it will make your events a lot special if you have these kinds of drinks. So if you want to know more about this, we're going to be flashing the fan page, and as well as the link below the description. So malalaman niyo po lahat ng mga information dun sa link natin sa video na to. So again guys, if you're interested to include this on your events, make sure to contact Felicia Sangria by Ricky Salak. Really good man, a really good man by the name of Ricky Salak. So guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. I'm gonna chill ko muna to because I want it really cold. So there you have it guys. Stay safe and stay at home. Peace out. Bye.